Ash gourd has been celebrated for its medicinal properties since ancient times, particularly in Ayurveda. It's used in a variety of dishes and remedies across India, offering benefits for stomach, liver, and skin health. What exactly is ash gourd? This is also known as Benin Casa hispida, is a distinct melon/squash commonly consumed in India and China. It's frequently diced and incorporated into Asian soups. Yogis in India recognize ash gourd as a potent source of vital life energy, making it highly energizing and valued in their diets. Native to Southeast Asia and grown in warm regions like Australia, this vegetable thrives as a creeper plant, producing large fruits that are utilized in numerous culinary and therapeutic ways. Ash gourd is packed with nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting overall health. Its high water content and zero cholesterol make it excellent for heart health and metabolic functions. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to compounds like flavonoids, make ash gourd beneficial for treating fevers, jaundice, and diabetes. It also aids in hair and scalp health, combating issues like dandruff. Globally recognized for its health benefits, ash gourd is consumed worldwide, especially in tropical climates. It's rich in essential nutrients, offering a low-calorie option for weight loss diets. Nutritionally, ash gourd is low in calories but high in beneficial nutrients, making it an ideal food for weight management and overall health. It pushes out and cleans the toxins in your gut biome. It supports weight loss by being low in calories and high in fiber, keeps the heart healthy due to its minimal cholesterol, and detoxifies the kidneys by promoting the elimination of waste. Ash gourd juice is believed to aid in weight management due to its low calorie and fat content, potentially benefiting those aiming to lose weight. Its lipid-lowering properties and dietary fiber content may contribute to reducing serum cholesterol and lipid levels, aiding in lowering body fat. Ash gourd enhances digestion with its fiber content, strengthens respiratory functions with its expectorant qualities, and is a perfect addition to keto diets for its low-carb profile. For skin and hair, ash gourd moisturizes, fights infections, promotes hair growth, and tackles dandruff, thanks to its nutritional composition. A simple homemade ash gourd hair gel can nourish the scalp, prevent dandruff, and enhance hair shine, demonstrating the vegetable's versatility. In Ayurveda, ash gourd is used to prepare remedies for fevers, jaundice, heart ailments, and more, thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Ash gourd's healing potential extends to reducing fever symptoms, combating jaundice, addressing heart issues, and even treating alopecia, showcasing its broad medicinal value. It also helps in recovering from joint diseases, boosting immunity, regulating thyroid levels, and alleviating insomnia, making ash gourd a powerful plant for various health concerns. To make ash gourd juice, start by blending ash gourd into a smooth puree, straining it, and then adding a zingy mix of lemon juice, black pepper powder, and salt for a deliciously healthy drink. How does ash gourd taste? It's got a mild, cucumber-like taste. Adding honey or black pepper can balance its natural cooling properties on colder days, preserving its energy-boosting benefits. For optimal vitality, it's best enjoyed raw. Ash gourd juice may have side effects due to its anti-nutritional factors, potentially reducing nutrient absorption and leading to calcium deposition, increasing the risk of kidney stones. While toxicological studies on animals suggest it's generally safe, any adverse reactions should prompt immediate consultation with a physician. Precautions include limiting intake for those with kidney issues, seeking advice for pregnant and breastfeeding women, and exercising caution with children and older adults. Consulting a physician for recommended dosage forms is advised for safety. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.